హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ పల్కబల్ కాంటెక్ట్. ఈ రోజు వీడియోలో మనం 8th క్లాస్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ సంబంధించి చాప్టర్ 2 సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్నాము. ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ గా సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకోబోయే ముందు ఫస్ట్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ లోకి వెళ్దాము. వాట్ ఈస్ ఏ కాన్స్టాంట్? What is a constant? So here, what is a constant? A fixed numerical value. A fixed numerical value is called a constant. Is called a constant. So what is a constant? A fixed numerical value is called a constant. Fixed numerical value in the sense the value of a constant does not change. The value of a constant does not change. Does not change. Now say some examples for the constants. Examples we can take as the fixed numerical values as the constants. So here 1, 2, 3 and so on we can take as the constants, or else root 2, root 3 and so on, or else fractions 1 by 2, 4 by 7 and so on, etc. we can consider as the constants. What is a variable? So how we can define a variable? A symbol which takes different numerical values is called a variable. A symbol which takes different numerical values is called a variable. So different values, we are going to assign different numerical values for the variable. So we can say that the value of a variable always changes according to the situation. Now variables are denoted by small English alphabets A, B, C, D and so on, X, Y and Z. Now let us see what is a term. What is a term? So how we can define the term? The product of a constant and a variable is called a term. So what does it mean? The product of a constant and a variable is called a term. It means that term can be written as the product of a constant and a variable. So I am taking here the constant as the number, any number 2, and variable I am taking as the a. So the product of a constant and a variable, that is 2 into a, we can write it as 2a. 2a is called as what? Term. Let us see some examples for the terms. 9x root 3a 4 by 7 z etc. These are called as the terms. Why? Because they formed with the help of a constant and a variable. So these are termed as the terms. What is an algebraic expression? If the terms are connected by the symbols or fundamental operations plus or minus sign is called an algebraic expression. Is called an algebraic expression. Let us see one example. Let us see one example for an algebraic expression. Here 2x, it is a term, and I am taking one more term 3y. These two are called as the terms. I am going to combine these two. I am going to connect these two terms with a plus sign. So it is called as an algebraic expression. Now let us take one more example. Root 3y is a term and 3 is also a term. How 3 is considered as a term? Why? Because 3 is a constant. Every constant is called as a term and every variable is also called as a term only. Why? Because 3 can be written as 3 into x power 0. Something power 0 we can able to write. So something power 0 value is always 1. So 3 into 1 again 3 we will get. So here 3 is also considered as a term only and every variable, every constant is considered as a term. Now here root 3y and 3 I am going to connect with minus sign, these two. Now it is called as an algebraic expression. Okay. Now let us take one more example for this. 1 by 2 x, 1 by 2 x, and it is one of the term, and one more term root 2 by 5 y I am taking. Now these two are the terms. 1 by 2x, it is one of the term. Root 2 by 5 into y, it is also one of the term. I am going to join these two terms with the plus sign. So it is called as an algebraic expression. So according to the definition, whenever if the terms are connected by the symbols, plus and minus, then it is called as an algebraic expression. So here also 2x is a term, 3y is a term. These two terms are connected with the plus sign. So it is called as an algebraic expression. Similarly, in the second example, root 3y and 3. These two are the terms and these two are connected with the minus sign. So we can call it as an algebraic expression. Similarly, in this one, 1 by 2x is a term, root 2 by 5 into y, it is also a term. And these two are connected with which sign? Plus sign. So we can call it as an algebraic expression. What is an equation? An algebraic expression, having equality sign in it is called an equation. Okay, otherwise we can define an equation as whenever the two algebraic expressions are connected by the equality sign, then it is called an equation also. Whenever two algebraic expressions are connected with equality sign, then it is called an equation. Now let us see some examples for an equation. 2a plus 3 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equal to a plus b. Now these two are treated as the equations. Why? Because 2a plus 3, it is an algebraic expression and in this algebraic expression we can find the equality sign, so that it is called as an equation. And similarly here, according to the second definition, this is one of the algebraic expression, this is another algebraic expression, these two are connected with the equality sign, so it is called as an equation. Okay, now the equality sign divides. This is an equation. In this equation, the equality sign will divide the equation into two parts. This is right hand side of the equality sign. This is left hand side of the equality sign. So this part is called right hand side, RHS part. This part is called LHS parts, left hand side. Okay, let us see one more example for the equation, that is 9x square plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4. Now it is called as an equation. Why? Because in this expression we can see the equality sign, so that it is called as an equation. So it is an equation. Simple. Whenever an algebraic expression is containing the equality sign, then it is called as an equation. So in this algebraic expression we have the equality sign, so I am calling this expression as the equation. Now here the equality sign will divide the equation into two parts. The equality sign will divide the equation into two parts. One is LHS, another one is RHS. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. So with respect to the equality sign, which is right of the equality sign, that is called RHS part, and which is left hand side of the equality sign, it is called as the LHS. These are the two parts in the equation. Next, what is degree of an equation? So here the highest power of the variable, in an equation, the highest power of the variable in an equation is called degree of the equation. So the highest power of the variable in an equation is called degree of the equation. Let us take one example. I am taking here. Now 12x cube plus 6x power 6 plus 1 equal to root 2 z cube plus a power 6 plus b power 7. You can see the equality sign here. So it is called as an equation, and I am going to observe the powers of the variables. Why? Because I am going to find the degree. To find the degree of an equation, we have to check the powers of the variables. Okay. Now here the variable is x, the power is 3. Here the variable is x, the power is 6. Here the variable is z, the power of the z is 3. Here the variable is a, the power is 6. Here the variable is b, the power is 7. So here we can see x power as 3 and 6, x power. And here we can see z power as 3 and a power as 6, b power as 7. Out of these powers, which is the greatest power? 7 is the greatest power. So the variable b has the greatest power 7. So the degree of the equation is, therefore degree of the equation is 7. Let us take one more example. 6x square minus 9y plus 2 equal to 0. What is the degree of this equation? So here the variable is x and y. Here the variable x power is 2 and the variable y power is 1 here, 1. Okay. So out of the powers 2 and 1, which is the greatest power? 2 is the greatest power. So that the degree of this equation becomes as 2. Degree becomes 2. Let us see one more example. 6x plus 4y equal to 0. So it is an equation. It is an equation because it is having the equality sign, so that it is called as an equation. Now what is the degree of this equation I am going to find here. So the variable x and y, what is the exponent or power of the variable x is 1 here, the power of the variable y is 1. So x is having the exponent or power as 1, y is also having the power as 1. So these two variables are having the powers as 1 only, so the degree of the equation becomes as 1. Okay, now let us take one more example. 7y square plus 12z square plus 13x square equal to 0. It is also one of the equation. In this, the variable y is having 2 as the exponent, and z is having 2 as the exponent, and x is also having 2 as the exponent. So the powers of the variables are 2, 2, 2 only. So the degree of the equation becomes also 2. Okay, the highest power is called as the degree. So here highest power is 2 only, so that I am saying the degree of this equation as 2. Okay, is it clear? Next, now let us see the types of equations based on the degree. The equations are 4 types. Based on degree, the equations are 4 types. The first one is linear equation. What is a linear equation? An equation of degree 1 is called a linear equation. An equation of degree 1 is called a linear equation. So to consider an equation as a linear equation, the degree must be 1. Now let us see one example for this linear equation. I am taking one example. 12x plus 4 equal to 0. 12x plus 4 equal to 0. 12x plus 4 equal to 0. It is an equation, but it is a linear equation or not. So to check that, we have to find the degree of this equation. So degree of the equation becomes what? Degree of this equation is, the variable is x, the variable exponent is 1. So the degree becomes as the 1 here. So it is called as linear equation. The general form of a linear equation is, what is the general form of a linear equation? Ax plus b equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0 and a comma b are the any real numbers. A comma b belongs to any real numbers. Okay, so ax plus b equal to 0 is called as the general form of a linear equation. Now let us see second one, quadratic equation. So an equation of degree, an equation of degree 2, an equation of degree 2 is called a quadratic equation. So to make an equation as a quadratic equation, the degree must be 2. The degree of the equation must be 2. Now let us see that example for this one. Example, I am taking one example, that is 6x square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. it is an equation. I am going to find the degree of this equation. So here the highest power of the variable I am going to check here. So the x power is 2 here, x power is 1. So in the 2 and 1, 2 is the greater power. So the degree of this equation becomes as the 2. Hence we can call it as a quadratic equation. Now take one more example. 3 by 4 x square plus 12x plus 3 equal to 0. It is also one of the equation. Here the degree of the equation is 2. Why? Because the highest power of the variable is 2 only. So here the variable power is 1. So the highest power is 2. So the degree of the equation becomes as here 2. So that it is also called as a quadratic equation. Okay. Now the general form of the quadratic equation is the general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and where a is not equal to 0 and a comma b comma c are belongs to the any real numbers. Now let us see the third one, cubic equation. An equation of degree 3 is called a cubic equation. Simple. Cube means 3. So an equation of degree 3 is called as a cubic equation. Simple. The degree of the equation must be 3. Then only it is called as the cubic equation. Now let us take one example. 6x cube plus 3x square plus 1 equal to 0. What it is? It is an equation. Now check whether it is a cubic equation or not. Yes, to check whether it is a cubic equation or not, first we have to find the degree of the equation. Now the degree is nothing but the highest power of the variable. Here the variable is x, power is 3. Here the variable is x, the power is 1. So in the 3 and 2 powers, 3 is the greater power. So the degree of this equation becomes as 3. So we can call it as a cubic equation. Understand? Next, let us take one more example. 12x cube plus 1 equal to 0. Is it a cubic equation? Yes. Why? Because the degree of the equation is 3 here. The degree of the equation is 3. Degree is nothing but the highest power of the variable. Now let us see the general form of a cubic equation. The general form of a cubic equation is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and also a comma b comma c comma d are belongs to any real numbers. Now let us see the fourth one, biquadratic equation. Biquadratic equation. An equation of degree 4 is called a biquadratic equation. Now to check whether an equation is a biquadratic equation or not, first we have to check the degree. If the degree of the equation is 4, then it is called as a biquadratic equation. Now let us see one example for this. 6x power 4 plus 12x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. You can take any signs, minus sign I will take here, no problem, any sign. It should be an equation. Now it is an equation. Here the highest power of the variable is 4 here. Why? Because here x variable is 3, x variable is 2, x variable is 1. So the highest power of the variable is 4. So the degree of the equation becomes what? 4. Hence we can say that this equation is a biquadratic equation. The general form of a biquadratic equation is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0 and a comma b comma c comma d comma e are belongs to the real numbers, any real numbers. Just now we discussed about what is a variable and what is a constant, what is a term, what is an algebraic expression, what is an algebraic expression, and what is an equation, what is degree of an equation, and based on the degree, types of equations. There are 4 types. The first one is linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, and biquadratic equation. This is the total introduction part about the simple equations and which type of equations are called as the simple equations I am going to explain now. Now linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable are called simple equations. Simple equations. Now let us see. Do this question, page number 35 from the textbook of 8th class mathematics. Which of the following are linear equations? The first question is 4x plus 6 equal to 8. Here the variable is x. So it is an equation in one variable. Okay. Now what is the degree of this equation? 1. The highest power of the variable is 1 here. So the degree of the equation becomes 1 here. Okay. Next, let us see the second one. 4x minus 5y equal to 9. 4x minus 5y equal to 9. So it is an equation in two variables. X and y are the variables. It is an equation in the two variables. The degree of the equation is 1 here. The highest power of the variables is 1 only. So that the degree is 1. In the first question and in the second question, the degree of both the equations is 1. Hence, these two are called as the linear equations. Okay. Now let us see the third question. 5x square plus 6xy minus 4y square equal to 16. It is an equation in the two variables x and y. Okay. It is an equation in the two variables. The two variables are x and y. Now what is the degree of this equation? The degree of the equation is nothing but 2 here. The highest power of the variable. Here the degree is 2. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. Here also the degree is 2. Orally the degree of the equation becomes as the 2. So hence we cannot say it is as a linear equation. What you can say, it is a, whenever the degree of the equation is 2, it is called as a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Next, if you observe the fourth question, xy plus yz plus zx equal to 11. So it is an equation in which how many variables? Here we can see the 3 variables x, y and z in this question. So it is an equation in the 3 variables and the degree of the equation becomes as the 2 here. Degree is 2. Why? Because x power 1 y power 1. Oral here the degree is 2. Here the oral degree is 2. Here also the oral degree is 2. Why? Because y power 1 z power 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Z power 1 x power 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Orally the degree of the equation becomes 2. So it is called as which type of equation? Quadratic. Quadratic equation. This is also quadratic equation. Now let us see the fifth question. 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. It is an equation. By seeing the equality sign, we can say that it is an equation. In how many variables? X and y are the two variables. So it is an equation in the two variables. And what is the degree here? The degree is the highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable is 1 only. So the degree of the equation becomes 1. Hence, whenever the degree is 1, it is called as a linear equation. Linear equation. Next, see the sixth question. 3 equal to 2x plus y. It is an equation. Yes. And the variables are x and y. It is an equation in the two variables. The degree is the highest power of the variable is called a degree. So here the highest power of the variable is what? 1. So the degree of the equation is 1. Hence it is called as linear equation. Linear equation. Next, see the seventh question. 7p plus 6q plus 13s equal to 11. Yes. Now it is an equation. Yes, it is an equation. Is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation because it is having the equality sign. Okay. Now, how many variables are present in this equation? P, Q, S. So, it is an equation in the three variables. Okay. It is an equation in the three variables. Now, find the degree. Degree of the equation is the highest power of the variable. So, P power 1, Q power 1, S power 1. So, orally the highest power 1 only. So, the degree becomes 1. So, it is called as a linear equation. Now, let us see the do this question. Page number 36. Which of the following are simple equations? Which of the following are simple equations? Which equations are called as the simple equations? A linear equation in one variable is called a simple equation. To check whether an equation is a simple equation or not, we have to check the two conditions. It should contain the degree as 1. So, first we have to check the degree. The second condition is it should contain one variable. Okay. So, for these 8 questions, we have to check for each question degree we have to check and number of variables we have to check. Now, I am going to check here 3x plus 5 equal to 14. First, is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation. Why, sir? By seeing the equality sign, we can say it is an equation. Okay, it is equation. Now, check whether it is a linear equation or not. To check linear equation, what we need to find? Degree we have to find. So, what is the degree of this equation? The highest power of the variable. The variable is x. What is the power of x here? Nothing is there. It means 1. So, the highest power of the variable is 1. Okay. The degree of the equation is 1. So, it is called as a linear equation. Isn't it? Now, how many variables are there in this linear equation? Only one variable. So, it is a linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. So that we can call it as a simple equation. So, it is a simple equation. Understand? The first one is, it is an equation or not? Yes, equation. By seeing the equality sign, we can say it is an equation. Okay. Now find the degree. The degree is nothing but highest power of the variable. The variable is x. The power of the x is 1. So the degree is 1. Whenever the degree of the equation is 1, it is called as a linear equation. Okay. Now it is having only one variable, that is x. So it is a linear equation in one variable. Hence it is called as a simple equation. Next, let us see the second one. 3x minus 6 equal to x plus 2. 3x minus 6 equal to x plus 2. Now first, is it an equation? Is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation because it consists equality sign. So it is an equation. Okay. Now check degree. What is the degree here? What is the degree here? What is the highest power of the variable? The variable is x. Here the variable x is having power as 1. Here also power is 1. So the highest power is 1 only. So the degree is 1. Degree is 1. Whenever degree is 1, it is called as which equation? Linear equation. It is a linear equation. Now in how many variables are there in this linear equation? Only one variable, that is x. So it is a linear equation in one variable. So it is called as a simple equation. Okay. So the second one is also simple equation. The first one is also simple equation. Okay. Next, let us see the third one. 3 equal to 2x plus y. 3 equal to 2x plus y. First, is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation. Next, what is the degree of this equation? Degree is highest power of the variable. Variable x is having power 1, y is having power 1. So highest power is 1 only. So it is the degree is 1, hence we can call it as this third question is called as a linear equation only. Isn't it? So degree is 1, hence 3 equal to 2x plus y is called as a linear equation. But how many variables are there in this linear equation? There are two variables, x and y. Isn't it? Yes. So it is a linear equation in two variables. So it is not a simple equation. Isn't it? Yes. To become it as a simple equation, it should contain only one variable. But here we are having the two variables x and y, so it is a linear equation in the two variables, but it is not a simple equation. Okay. Next, let us see the fourth question. X by 3 plus 5 equal to 0. X by 3 plus 5 equal to 0. Is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation only. Okay. Now, what is the degree? Degree, highest power of the variable. The variable is x, the power is 1. So the degree is 1. So it is called as what? Which type of equation? Linear equation. Why? Because the degree of this equation is 1. Hence it is called as a linear equation. In this linear equation, how many variables are there? Only one variable, that is x. So it is a linear equation in the one variable. Hence this is called as a simple equation. It is simple equation. It is not a simple equation, isn't it? Yes. Now let us see the fifth question. It is an equation. Yes. Now what is the degree of the equation here? The degree of the equation is nothing but highest power. Highest power. So highest power is 2 and 1. In these two powers, 2 is the highest power. So the degree of the equation is 2. The degree of the equation is 2. So it is not a simple equation. Isn't it? Why? Because the degree is 2, then it is which type of equation? Whenever the degree of equation is 2, then it is called as a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Okay. Next, let us see the sixth question. 5m minus 6n equal to 0. It is an equation. Yes. Now, what is the degree of the equation here? The highest power of the variable. M is having the power as 1, N is having the power as 1. So orally the degree of the equation becomes as the 1. Isn't it? So the degree of this equation is 1. So this is called as a linear equation. Linear equation it is. Isn't it? Now how many variables are there in this equation? Two variables, M and N. Okay, so it is a linear equation in the two variables m and n. Hence, it is not called as a simple equation, isn't it? So whenever it is having the two variable, a linear equation in the one variable is called as a simple equation. But it is a linear equation, but in the two variables m and n. So it is not called as the simple equation. Okay. Next, let us see the seventh question. 7p plus 6q plus 13s equal to 11. Now, if you observe here, it is an equation. Yes, what is the degree here? The degree becomes the highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable is 1 only, isn't it? So, the degree of the equation is 1. So, it is a linear equation. but how many variables are there? 3 variables are there. So it is a linear equation in 3 variables, P, Q and S. So it is not a simple equation. Understand? Yes. Next, let us see the 8th question. 13t minus 26 equal to 39. So is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation. Now, what is the degree of this equation? The highest power of the variable is t. The power of the t is 1. So the degree of the equation is 1. So the degree of the equation is 1. It is called as what? Linear equation. Linear equation. Isn't it? So it is a linear equation in how many variables? Only one variable, that is t. It is a linear equation in one variable t. So it is called as a simple equation. Okay, I hope you understand this.